This episode of Grounded in Maine is sponsored by ESG Review. ESG Review magazine is published quarterly in February, May, August, and November, and is available for free in print and digital formats. ESG Review is devoted to environmental, social, and governance strategies, technologies, and investments. ESGreview.net is updated every Wednesday with 8 new stories and is home to feature articles, news items, and more. Visit esgreview.net to stay informed and help us spark the collaboration and awareness needed to develop sustainable economies and communities around the world.
There's a place where there's no trouble, no more pain, no more struggle.
Grounded in Maine podcast is an open conversation about how we show up for the world. I started this podcast out of a desire to learn new ways to be sustainable because the word sustainability is big. It can be overwhelming, and I just wanted to learn, different ways to try to be part of the solution and not feel like it's too late. So I am talking to people who are doing different things and learning so much. I hope that you are too.
Hi there. Thank you so much for listening to Grounded in Maine today. My name is Amy Fagan. It has been a little bit since I've done an actual recording. I took a couple weeks off, but I was ahead for a little bit. So it has probably been 4 weeks since I've actually done something podcasting wise. And so it is the beginning of December, and I have had, it's just, it's December, it's the end of the year. I want to kind of look over the year and just think about how unbelievable this year has been with the incredible conversations I've had and the opportunities I've had come up with this podcast. And because of podcasting, I remember it's a good time to reflect on the year anyway. So last year I took I think it was the last two weeks of the year off just because I had a big jam commitment, and it was the holidays and whatever. And this year I took it off a little bit early. I had some stuff. If you watch my my social media, I called it what did I say? Some family drama. I'm going through a divorce. There. I said it. And my computer broke. My computer died, actually. So I had to buy a new computer, and just working out the bugs with that and figuring out how everything was going to work. So I had a couple of rough weeks, and I am back. And my interview for this week actually sort of fell through. She had a sick dog and she was just exhausted. So I'm going to talk to her, not this week coming up, but next week. You're going to love her. Oh my gosh, she's incredible. I cannot wait to share her message because she is so energetic and she is so passionate and excited. So anyway, about just super quickly about the divorce. It's not awesome. Not loving it. It's not my favorite thing for sure. It's been really, really hard, and there are going to be some changes. But I just want to thank the the super amazing people in my life who have been so positive and so supportive, and sending me really fun memes and quotes and fun messages. My birthday was last week, and my friends from high school, who I've known for like 35 years, I had lunch with a couple, and my friends sent me gifts, and I don't think I've had so many gifts in my whole life on my birthday. And a friend sent me a gift in the mail, and my aunts came from Massachusetts, and my friend my friend Nikki, who has a store called Cards O Glee in Nevada. Sorry, I'm saying it wrong, Nikki. I'm a Mainer. Nevada. I can't say it that way. It sounds weird. She sent me a care package. She has a card shop. It's really, really great. You guys should check it out, especially if you're in the area, but even still, just check her out on Instagram, shop online. She's amazing. She has such fun stuff. She sent me a care package, super, super sweet. But people have been so great. I appreciate that. It's made it a lot easier. And uh and my sisters, of course, who I'm gonna go visit in a couple weeks, 2 weeks from today, actually. I couldn't get through this without you guys. So, on to the podcast. This year has been unbelievable. I have had such great conversations. I've learned so much, and I've met such crazy cool people. And I know these next few that will finish off the year are going to be so awesome. I'm so excited. I've got, oh gosh. And to start next year, there are a couple that I don't even have scheduled yet. And I've already got 4 scheduled for the end of the year, and the beginning of next year is going to be outstanding already. I've got sorry about that. I've got a sustainable chocolate maker. So exciting. I can't even wait. And then Sonia Parenti, who is in the fashion industry, she's going to be talking to us about fast fashion and how we can make it sustainable and how we can buck that system. I've been trying to get her on the podcast for months, and I'm so thrilled that we're gonna be doing this in the next couple of weeks. So I'm thrilled to be able to do that and bring that to you guys. And so as far as changes, I know that this is a sustainability podcast, and it is still going to be a sustainability podcast. I'm going to be throwing in more personal sustainability stuff because I am going through some stuff. And because I'm just feeling called to do more of that right now. I just feel it's really important. There's just so much. I mean, I know physical sustainability, we've talked about a lot of stuff, and there's still more coming. I promise you, it's not going to be all like super sappy emotional stuff, but there's just so much that needs to be talked about. And one of the things that I really want to touch on, and I really want to reach out to folks on, the first thing that is a priority for me, that I really want to do is I want to do a menopause panel. And so if you have something that you want to say about menopause, regarding like symptoms and what you've experienced and feelings on that specifically, I want to get the word out. I feel like we need to be louder about it. I feel like it has been such a taboo topic, and I feel like it is. I'm sorry I'm saying so much. I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants. I have a little outline, and I can't really read it because my eyes are blurry. But I just feel like there's not enough talk about it, and the fact that women don't know what's happening with their bodies. Men don't know what's happening with women's bodies because women don't know what's happening with their bodies, and people don't know how to react. So I feel like there's so much that needs to be talked about. There's so much that needs to be done. There's so much that people need to know. And I'm not saying I know anything, but I just feel like there are things that I am learning right now that I could have known about maybe 10 years ago or more. Parents don't talk about it with their kids, and I feel like it just needs to be said. And I think that, and I've just talked to a lot of people lately, just turning 50. I've talked to a lot of people that have just blown my mind. And I feel like it could be helpful for a lot of people. So anyway, if you would like to be on this panel, if you have something that you would like to say, if you have something that you would like to add, if you have something that you would like us to say, please reach out to me or tell somebody that you would like to be on this panel. I would love to have your input. And if there is something else sustainability wise that you would like to have us talk about, or if you would like to talk about, please be in touch with me, whether it is regular sustainability or personal sustainability. I want to bring all these things to light. I feel like, especially on the personal sustainability plane, I think that there are so many things, not even just menopause. I think that there are so many things that need to be touched on. Like, I feel like a lot of it, right now is sort of like mental health. And people just need to not be afraid to talk. So I want to be a platform for that. I want to open that up and let people talk. Okay. So if you have something that you want to have shared or share, if you have something sustainability wise, like I said, personal wise, or otherwise, please let me know. I have lots of openings for next year. And let's see, what else did I have? There's so many things to be considered. I want to thank you for listening today, especially because this is a tough one. But for listening for the last year and a half, and supporting me in this journey. I hope that you're enjoying this journey with me. And please stick with me. There's more to come. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for being here today. Here's to 2024, but please listen to the next few episodes because they are going to be really, really awesome. I've got some great ones coming up. I know Barbara Tibbetts is coming. I know Jen, oh gosh, what is her last name? Jores? I don't know. I don't know what her last name is. But she's super awesome. She's the one that I was supposed to talk to today. And then there are a couple more coming up and oh my gosh, Hannah Semler. So excited. I'm talking to her tomorrow, the CEO of Farm Drop. Don't miss that. I want to spread Farm Drop throughout the US. I think it is very important. And then, oh my gosh, who is my last one? Brenda Simmons. I was just on her podcast and she is so cool. She has so much energy and so much passion and she's so exciting. I'm really thrilled to share this. So she's going to be the last one of the year to close the year out. And so I'm thrilled that she's going to be that person. So that is the December podcast episodes in a nutshell. I'm thrilled about that. And so anyway, stick with me. And like I said, next year is going to be super exciting. And the menopause panel will be coming up. I don't have necessarily anyone on it yet. I've got a bunch of possibilities and hopefully there will be some of you on it. So be in touch with me, okay? Again, thanks for listening. I hope that you have a great week. I will have Hannah next Tuesday of Farm Drop. Let's see, Tuesday. This Tuesday is the 4th. So the 11th. Hannah will be the 11th of December. All right. Thank you again. Take care and happy December, everyone.
I just want to take a moment to thank Buzzsprout for hosting this podcast, for Jane Bolduc for her amazing music genius, and for Rebecca Coffron and her beautiful artwork for this podcast. And I also would like to thank you for listening. I appreciate it more than you know. I will talk to you next time.
There'll come a day, my mama told me, when I find love to have and hold me, a heart that's strong and so sincere. Just tell me, how do I get there from here? Oh, tell me, how do I get there from here? 'Cause here and now I'm so far down that mercy's bound to find me. We'll find a way to soothe the sickness. We'll heal the hate with sweet forgiveness. Wages of war will disappear. Just tell me, how do I get there from here? I wonder, how do I get there from here? Yeah, 'cause here and now I'm so far down and mercy's bound to find me. When that state of grace has finally found me, well, there'll be music, ooh, and good friends around me, yeah, yeah. And I'll just smile through happy tears and wonder